Hey, is your Fire Stick driving you crazy with constant lagging, freezing menus, and endless buffering? You click on something and it takes forever to respond, right? Well, stop what you're doing because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to speed up your Fire Stick and even your Android TV so it runs smooth and fast again. This works on pretty much every model, old or new, and most people see a huge difference right away. Stick with me and let's fix this once and for all. First, let's talk about why this happens in the first place. Your Fire Stick or Android TV has very limited storage and processing power compared to a full computer or phone. Every time you use apps like Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, or Disney+, they store temporary files called cache to help them load faster next time. Over weeks and months, that cache builds up and fills up your device's small storage. At the same time, apps run quietly in the background, using up precious RAM. The home screen keeps trying to autoplay video previews and collect usage data, which puts extra load on the system. Add in a weak Wi-Fi connection or an outdated software version, and suddenly everything feels sluggish and broken. The great part is that we can clear out all that junk and optimize the settings without losing your accounts or downloaded content. All right, let's jump into the steps. Grab your remote and we'll do this together. Starting with the Fire Stick. From the home screen, move over to the settings gear icon in the top right corner and click it. Now, scroll down the list until you see Applications and select that. Inside Applications, choose Manage Installed Applications. This screen shows you every app installed on your device, along with how much space they're taking. Scroll all the way down and find the option that says Clear All Application Caches. Go ahead and select it, then confirm your choice. This one action clears out all the temporary junk from every single app at once. It usually takes just a few seconds and frees up a ton of space without signing you out of anything. Now, if you have one or two apps that are particularly slow, you can highlight them individually in the same menu, click on them, and choose Clear Cache for that specific app. Remember, only use clear data if an app is completely broken, because that will reset the app back to fresh and you'll have to log in again. After clearing the cache, go back to the main settings menu. Scroll down to My Fire TV and select it. Now choose Restart and let your Fire Stick completely reboot. This is important because restarting clears out the RAM and gives everything a fresh start. While it's restarting, here's a quick tip. You can also do a faster restart by holding the Select button and the Play/Pause button on your remote together for about 5 to 10 seconds until the screen goes blank and it reboots. Now, if you're using an Android TV instead of a Fire Stick, the process is very similar, but the menu names might be a little different. From your home screen, go into Settings. Look for the Apps section or Applications, then select See All Apps or Manage Installed Applications. From there, you'll find options to clear cache either for all apps at once or one by one. Some Android TVs also have a dedicated storage menu where you can clear cached data directly. Once you've cleared the cache, go to Device Preferences or the About section and choose Restart to reboot the system. While you're in the Apps menu on either device, take a minute to look through your installed apps. Highlight any apps you haven't opened in the last month or two and uninstall them. These unused apps still take up storage and can run background processes that slow everything down. To uninstall on Fire Stick, highlight the app, press the menu button with the 3 lines on your remote, and choose Uninstall. Confirm, and it's gone. Do the same on Android TV. Getting rid of just a few unused apps can make a surprising difference in speed. Next, let's make sure your software is up to date. On Fire Stick, go back to Settings, then My Fire TV, then About, and select Check for Updates. If there's anything available, download and install it. On Android TV, this is usually under Device Preferences, System, and then System Update. New updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes that make your device feel faster. One more important networking tip while we're here. If possible, connect your Fire Stick or Android TV to the 5 GHz band on your Wi-Fi router instead of 2.4 GHz. The 5 GHz connection is usually much faster and has less interference, especially if you have a lot of devices at home.
You can check or change this in your router's app or settings page.